It is exactly a week since we are in a Big Brother house, Niger season 11, and one thing for sure, the housemate has flipped the script completely. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bonso. Don't forget to subscribe, like, do comment in the comment section, sharing what you think of the Big Brother Niger so far. I want to talk about something very first, especially for my South African fans who are complaining about the English of Nigerian housemates. Let me tell you something. If you cannot watch it, please just leave. They are Nigerians after all. English is not native to Africa. It's a language that was forced by colonizers on us. So we are not forced to speak English the way you want us to speak English. I'm talking as a South African defending Nigerian English. Thank you very much. Let's move forward to the show. One thing for sure, people on the first day they were shipping Araha with Sheba, with Nature, with any of the face cards of the season. But let me tell you something, he went for Godessa, and currently the ship is sailing and everyone is shipping on it, everyone is launching themselves on it, and I'm like, the chemistry is there, but it's not giving the vibes as of yet. And one thing that made this ship very, like, it was not expected. This is what most of the people were not expecting it, and especially from Araha. Araha is a guy who is like pretty face, but is not giving us the show we wanted him to give us. But anyways, let's move to other housemates and Aiko. I think he's the favorite amongst the group, but my problem is that being a favorite is nothing if you're not doing anything. Most of people are thinking like they're gonna vote him as a gambit because you're not giving us a game. So let's just be a gambit and then be there. Maybe you'll give us something as the weeks goes, but there's nothing that he's giving. The fan bases are not happy with him. Another one who was rather unexpected, Abby. People are thinking that she should be a gambit, but I'm like, guys, she deserves the win. She's carrying the show on her own shoulders alone. I love Abby. The drama has been there. Everything that we wanted from her, she has been giving us. Bluetopia, the face card of the season. Some people are saying that she's just overrated. I don't know, but otherwise she's been doing very well, and people are saying they're shipping him with Yusuf and whatnot. That's okay, guys. I think it's okay, but I don't think everyone has to be in a ship. She's only 21 or 23. She's young, or 28. I'm not sure. She's young. Let the young children live. Hi. You know what I mean? Another one that I think that is worth talking about is Neche, the lawyer. I'm the law student, so one day I might be working in the same field as her. We don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. She's being very, very consistent with who she is, what she's delivering in the show, and I love it. For her, 10 out of 10. I love Nature. Another one we're going to talk about is Flora. Flora is the queen of memes. Flora is the queen of doing everything that people, they don't want her to do. The only problem is that she's not aligning her friends. While outside, the handler is posing this curated, perfected image of Flora. Flora in the house she's giving us kinda a para with those flip-flops, and I'm like, girl, what are you trying to do to us? But otherwise, this show has been giving us 11 out of 10 minus nothing, because they are showing us who they are. And also, I love this guy who's Trem. Like, Trem, you're doing well, my dear. Like, you are doing well. And people are talking about your relationship with your wife, having a white woman. And I heard people saying that you said that you married her because she could travel to Nigeria. That was a nice one. We know very well that the Western world, their visas, they are more stronger than African visas, unless you have a South African, Botswana, Mauritius, Seychelles. Otherwise, others are just weak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Who do you think is winning so far, and who are your favorite? I love you guys. Bye.